What up? What up? What up, people? Courtney here from Matthews Tech, where we give the right advice at the right time, and the founder of the From Leads to Clients website. How's everyone doing today? We'll wait for a couple people to jump in. Gonna be a pretty short and sweet video today. Gotta probably go do a bit of a how-to today. Something slight. So, as I'm going through my different content ideas for the month and different things that I come up with, I decided to, theme, since I'm gonna do these videos two days a week. I decided to, theme some of these videos. They can be strategies, tools I use, how-to videos. Some days I may just get up here and rant and just talk about, what in my business is frustrating me and things I can learn and stuff like that. Um, so yeah, it'll be a combination depending on how I'm feeling that week. But I will be consistent and do two lives, 2 days a week, Tuesday and Thursdays of each week. And like I said, it'll be a mixture of how to, some strategies I use, tools I use, rants about the business, some case studies that I have with current clients. Just some a bit of everything for uh, for these lives. And I do feel that as long as I get up here and provide some value to you guys and give you some tips and tricks on how to expand your business or just do some updates with your website in general. I think that'll be very valuable to you guys. Business or just So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So like I said, today is probably going to be short and sweet. How to. So if you are a business, or if you're running ads, or if you are doing anything business related to generate leads, we specialize in lead gen and converting those cold prospects into warm prospects into hot offers where they're booking appointments with you, or they want to buy something from you, and we nurture those clients. And the strategy is to convert them to a high paying prospect. But while we're talking about ads, when people click on the ad, people you hit a landing page. And this is, and I repeat, this is the most important thing about any campaign, any strategy you're running. If you're in the service-based business and you're looking to capture contact details and you're looking to potentially market to those people, you want to ensure that your landing page is clean, is concise, and is straight to the point. Don't create a landing page with a whole bunch of images on it. Don't create a landing page with a whole bunch of words on it. You want it to get straight to the point. You want it to tell the potential prospect the problem you're solving. You want to give them a metric. Basically, hey, if you need, if you want to have, 10 leads in a week, 10 leads in a month, 100 leads in a month, for example, with one of my campaigns, the From Leads to Clients blueprint that I've written to, help businesses generate 60 plus leads and, convert those folks into high paying prospects. You want to give them exactly what they want so they can stay on the page and give you those contact details. And once you start looking at data and things like that, you start to develop a conversion rate. And as we know, data drives decisions. So with that, with the landing page, there are certain components that you need. For example, if it's an ebook or a blueprint, make sure your picture either shows in what's inside of the blueprint or the ebook, or make sure you put the context of that particular document in some way, some picture form. For example, our particular blueprint, we have a methodology, is our methodology, which is in that blueprint that has 9 components, but in the blueprint it talks about very specific components that you can use to instantly, turn your website around and use that as a lead converting machine. So, you want to, number one, clean, concise, straight to the point. Number two, you have to have a call to action. A call to action is just basically a button telling people what to do. For example, for one of our campaigns, we have, like I said, from Leads to Clients blueprint. Download the blueprint. This blueprint will tell you blah, 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 in which you can do X, Y, and Z. Download the blueprint is a button, which is the call to action. So once they click that button, a form comes up to where they share their contact details, in which we take those contact details and we send you the blueprint. That's why it's called a lead magnet, because you're bringing on a potential lead, but you need something to get their attention. If these people never met you from a can of paint and they click on your ad or they click on your website, you want to be able to tell them the problem you solve and give them a metric of results that they can potentially see by them seeing your problem solver. Because I see landing pages all the time. They got the contact information up there. They got all these different things, and by the time people hit that page, they go, "What did I come here for again?" So, like I said, number one, you want to be clean, concise, and straight to the point. Don't make your landing page too busy. You can so if you are running ads, you can add a video, or you can add, like I said, something that shows the context of what they're getting. You kind of want to show them what they should be getting, prior to them downloading it. So then, you can create that intellectual property and that credibility. So those are the two main. So you need the clean, concise, and simple. A high profile image or video, your choice. A call to action. You have to tell them what to do. People just don't go on websites and be looking around and go, "Yeah, I don't know what to do. They said they got a blueprint or an ebook out here, but how do I get access to it? How do I download it?" So you have to give them a call to action. And then more importantly, you need a mechanism to capture those contact details. If you're using spreadsheets, if you're using a CRM like MailChimp, or if you're using uh, 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 the campaign, I can't think of the name of it, but there's many CRMs out here. If you don't know what a CRM is, feel free to Google it. I'll probably do a live video and talk about the CRM that I use and in our processes and how we draw things up here at Matthews Tech. But so you need to capture those details, a call to action, and you need to make sure it's clean, concise, and it's simple. You know, and for my Facebook folks, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can share my screen really quickly, and I'll show you guys what a clean landing page looks like that does generate leads and give you guys a good idea of what you guys can potentially see and what that may look like. So let me see, share screen. Just gonna be really quickly. All right, so my screen is sharing. So basically, like I said, here's an example of a particular blueprint. For my Instagram people, I'm going to drop the link of that landing page that we have running right now, so you guys can get an idea of it, so you can get a brief picture of what a clean landing page looks like. So really quickly, we have the like I said, telling you what to do. Download the blueprint. Here's the title of the blueprint. Here are the things that are incorporated within that blueprint, so people see what they may or may not be using compared to what they're currently doing or what their current business structure is. And I tell you, the blueprint that shows you how to get 60 plus leads per month from your website. It's a metric. So it's like, man, if I'm only getting 10 a month, this shows me I can get 60. Yeah, let me download and see what it's about. And here's where I'm saying the call to action. Once you click this call to action here, they come down here, they enter their details, and once you click download now, we'll get an email. You'll get an email talking about the blueprint has been delivered to you. Feel free to read it at your leisure, and you go from there. So, really quickly, like I said, I wanted to jump on here and talk about a how to, how to create landing pages. If you're out here creating landing pages, if you don't know how to create a landing page, feel free to go on our website from leads2clients.com. booking a strategy session with us, and we'll go ahead and walk you through your website. Or if you don't have a website, we'll walk you through how we can develop these things for you. So, if you want to run marketing ad campaigns, you can do that. And, we'll love to get on the phone and talk to you. So just a brief recap. I wanted to come on here and talk about how to create the proper landing page. So with landing pages, you want to keep it clean, simple, concise, and readable. You don't want to have it too busy. You don't want to have it all over the place, because that cold client won't know what to do with it. You want to have a high profile image, whether it's a video or high profile picture, just explaining, what the blueprint or ebook or whatever the offer may be, or an image of what they're going to be in getting. Next, you need a call to action, which lets them know, okay, I want to download it now. What's next? Basically walks them through that process. And then once they give you their contact details, you need a mechanism that's going to take those contact details, store them somewhere so you can follow up with those people. So those are the three components of a landing page: clean, concise, simple. Number two, a call to action. Number three, a mechanism to capture their contact details. And you'll be well on your way. Like I said, if you want more information, feel free to check us out at FromLeads2Clients.com. That's FROM, leads, LEADS, the number two, clients.com. Feel free to book a free strategy call with us, and we'll get you well on your way, and we'll definitely point you in the right direction. Again, my name is Courtney Matthews, CEO of Matthews Technologies, where we give the right advice at the right time, and the founder of the From Leads to Clients website. See you guys Thursday.